how to create same task in ClickUp. So first go to ClickUp, and then for example, you're on your workspace, right? So let's say I want to create the same task of like this one. Okay. So what you need to do is just hover mouse over it and then click on the three dots here and then click on duplicate. Now here, just type in your new task name. So let's say I'm going to name this as test 2, and then choose where this task should be created. So let's say you can just select which one here that you want it to be created on, and then you can just select here what you'd like to copy from the task. So let's say you want to copy everything, select everything here. If you want to customize it, just select everything here that you want to just specifically copy from this task. And then here, if you want to copy the task activity, that includes the full history and activity on the task in the new task. Okay. So if you want to send notifications, you just notify all the watchers of the task creation. Okay. So you can just toggle this on if you want. And then after that, you can just click on duplicate. Now let's just wait. And there you go. Now you have the same task here. Okay. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.